sort of
And-
80,000
And the weather
participants.
didn't turn out to be too bad in Washington,
Right.
D.C. for the
It
inauguration.
rained right as they were doing the oath of office,
Right.
and then the rain kind of moved off to the north, so better weather for all the bands marching their way
Sure.
through Washington. Around here, it turned out to be a great day overall. Finally, some sunshine peeking through, and the last of it making for a spectacular sunset. We're looking out from Clarksville here over the Cumberland River and seeing that beautiful sunset in the sky and being reflected by the waters of the Cumberland River as well. Hope you enjoyed that sunshine today, because the weekend is looking mostly gray with a few different chances of rain headed in our direction. For now, though, it's still very warm. 64 degrees in Nashville at the moment. We reached a high temperature of 69 degrees, which is 22 degrees above average, only 3 degrees off today's record high temperature of 72. So still very mild throughout the evening. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s area wide. Only 55 degrees in Paris. You're kind of the outlier on the cool side. 66 degrees, the warm location in Murfreesboro. It's just light jacket weather, if that, as you're heading out the door. Now, we will cool down a little bit as we head through the evening. Temperatures are going to drop by 10 o'clock down into the upper 50s, but as the clouds kind of fill back in, it's going to help to hold all this warmth near the ground. Southerly winds help with that as well. Showers possible by early tomorrow morning. We'll check that out in Futurecast in just a second. Temperatures begin in the mid 50s just as the sun is coming up before 7 o'clock, and then we warm up despite the cloud cover. Mid 60s by noon. Best chance of showers will be south of Interstate 40, and a little break from that tomorrow afternoon. Maybe a little sun peeking back through the clouds. Temperatures warm right back up to the upper 60s, and then a much better chance of rain moving back in overnight tomorrow night into early Sunday. So let's check out all of that on Futurecast. And again, tonight we're looking at calm weather until the showers begin to approach us, but it's still way off to our southwest by early tomorrow morning. Again, according to this particular forecast model, and there are different ones we use, this one seems to have a pretty good handle on the overall pattern, with the best chance of showers staying to the southeast of Nashville. There are others that bring at least some sprinkles farther to the north, so we'll leave that better chance of showers, as we showed you just before 5 o'clock. To the south of I-40, about a 1 in 3 chance of at least a trace of rainfall along Interstate 40 for the first half of the day tomorrow, and then things kind of settle down. A few breaks in the clouds tomorrow afternoon. Into the evening hours, it's still calm, but look what's looming off to our southwest. This area of thunderstorms is going to be a little bit stronger. In terms of the severe weather threat, most of that's going to be down to our south, but if we're going to see any stronger storms, it's going to be with this band that lifts up towards us by late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Maybe a straight line wind gust threat with that. The storm should weaken as they move farther to the north by about sunrise on Sunday. A little break, but then more rain heading up towards us off and on throughout the day on Sunday. Again, that severe weather threat is going to be greatest down to our south. A couple different bullseyes of an enhanced risk of severe weather over Mississippi and then down over Alabama and Georgia throughout the 6 a.m. Saturday morning to 6 a.m. Sunday morning time frame. So it's that 24 hours that we're looking at on this map. For us, it's a marginal risk of severe weather. That's level 1 out of 5. Means it's not a huge cause for concern, but we'll have to keep an eye on that line of storms as it moves up towards us very late tomorrow night into early Sunday morning. Dan Thomas will be here keeping an eye on that for you and updating you if any warnings are issued, but it looks like most of that is going to stay down to our south. It's still going to be warm despite those rain chances over the weekend. Again, upper 60s tomorrow, still low 60s in between the showers and a couple thunderstorms on Sunday, and then temperatures drop a little bit early next week, but still above normal. Low 50s on Monday, upper 50s on Tuesday, back up to the low 60s on Wednesday. After that, we transition back to a more typical late January weather pattern with temperatures topping out in the 40s and overnight lows dropping into the 20s. That's going to feel awfully chilly considering how spoiled we've been recently. Even a chance for a few sprinkles and flurries mixed together Friday and Saturday, but it's nothing to worry about at this point. We'll keep you posted as next weekend gets a little closer. But let's just enjoy the warmth this weekend.
We're going to try, Paul. Thanks so much.